Welcome to Phoebe's Science Sundays. Today we're making a rocket.
What do we need, Phoebe?
Rubber bung.
Yep.
Needle valve. Bicycle pump.
Yes.
Water in a bottle. Nose cone. Fins for the rocket.
Okay.
We put the valve on the pump and we glued the rocket together. Now we need an adult to do the pumping.
That's right. You ready? Can you see there?
I'll stand a bit more back.
Okay. You ready?
I'll tell you when you can do it properly. Now! I even filmed the rocket when it was on the floor.
That was very good.
Yeah, let's do it again, Daddy.
Okay.
Are you ready for the trip, guys? Well, me actually, of course, and my little sister Rosie, which I don't know where she is. She's still in the house. And Daddy, we're making... I even recorded it when it went up.
Oh, brilliant.
I just want... Then I saw it go to the tree.
Really good.